Hello guys, welcome to my new video of modeling a carving design for CNC machines. This video is also for beginner level modelers. In this video we are gonna choose a very simple model again, which takes less than 5 minutes to model. We use very simple commands for this new modeling, which is mirroring and polar array, and we use sweep, rails and cross sections to draw our shapes. So first of all, in the command line we write picture. We choose this one, which is very simple. So we insert it, we import it actually, and we go to the center of this model. As you can see, the center of our model is here, and the center of this white area. So I choose move from the panel. From here I choose move from the center of the white area. I choose it. Look, now I can move it anywhere I want. So I want it to be at the 0 in X and Y axis, so I just write 0, look at the command line, I put 0 and then enter. Now it's centered. I lock it. And for this model, first of all, as you can see here, we need 2 circles in the middle. So I draw those circles, but I've forgotten to change the color of my curves, so it's easier for you to watch it, find it in the video. So I choose the blue color, set current, and now again I draw the first circle and I draw the second one. I think it's good, and we'll start to drawing curves for this leaf. So before that, for mirroring, I need a center line, so I choose this line to be as the center line for mirroring, and again here I need the center line for mirroring command, and I think it is good. Now I choose the control points curve and start drawing curves over the edges of my model. As you can see here, I'm drawing very simply and fast, simply and quickly. Again, for this one I draw and again. I think it's better for this one to draw the other side, not mirroring it, because it's not mirrored, a bit different. Now it's good. So our model is about to be ready. Very nice. And now we go to the front view and draw the cross section for our modeling. Go to the perspective view. You can see that we are modeling this leaf. Look at the outer edges. We have a bit of It's in the form of a half of a circle in the outer edges. So in front view we drew it. Again we've got another curve like this, I think, and we have something in center. We join them. We use the mirror command for this, and again, as you can see, the center is too sharp. It must be changed using the fillet command, fillet curves. We choose the fillet curve, which is the first curve, the second curve, and as you can see, unable to fillet the curves. The fillet radius may be too big, so the curves may not be on the same plane near the fillet. I think we have to change the radius from here. Yes, now I think it's good. And we go to the perspective view again, as look at this model. They are approximately the same, roughly the same, but in this model, look at these areas. These areas are filled with a cross section, a piece. It's a bit more, you know, it's like a half of a circle. Sorry for my bad English, but in this one, it's more simpler than this one. So I go to the front view and draw a curve. Again, for the center we use this, and for the outer part, I think, no, this is not. I think this is good for our second. So we join them. We use the mirror command again from the history of our commands. So again, the center is too sharp. We choose the fillet curves, and again it's done. We join them. We go to the transform tab. We choose this one, orient objects 2 points, which is our cross section. First point, second point. We go to the top. That is for this leaf, so we choose the curves, and it was transferred here. And again, we go to the front view, choose this one, first point, second point, go to the top, choose the first rail, second rail. Now they have been transferred. We choose the curves, go to the surface tab, choose sweep 2 rails, and done. Again, we choose the curves, go to the sweep 2 rails, and surface tab, and oh my god, there's something wrong in here. Again, we go to the front view. This cross section is for that. We choose the orient object first and second, go to the top view, choose the first and second rail, go to the surface, sweep 2 rails, choose our cross section, and it's done. Very nice. We change our view to the shaded view. As you can see, it's very nice. So now we go for the center. For the center part. So we go to the front view, we draw a cross section for this, for the outer part. I think it's okay. We choose it, choose the orient first point, second point, go to the top view, and yeah, choose our curve, sweep two rails and surface tab, and it's done. For the center part, we choose ellipsoid and withdraw it for the center part, and as you can see, we turn off the O snap, and now it's okay. I think it's very okay. Now I want to copy these leaves 4 times in a circle, so I don't need to actually model them again. So I want it to be more simple. I do it one by one. I choose this leaf, go to the tools tab here, to the tools panel, choose this one, which is rectangular array, choose the polar array, click on it. It says select objects to array. I want this object to be arrayed, so I choose it, and now press enter. When done, I just right click instead of enter, click there. Now center of polar array, I want we need to click on the center of our circle, so I just write 0 in the command line and press enter. That's okay. Number of items, how many items do you want to be arrayed? Oh, as you can see, our model has 1, 2, 3 and 4 of this leaf, so 4 is okay. Number of items, it remains 4. I press enter. Angle to fill or first reference point 360, it's just okay. I press enter again, press enter to accept. Yeah, it's okay. As you can see, this leaf was arrayed 4 times over this circle, and again we do that the same for this leaf. We choose it, we go here, choose the polar array, choose the center, which I write 0 and press enter. Number of items 4 and 360 degrees. Yes, it's okay. We've got preview here in the white color. It might not be easy to see in this video, but I press enter, it's okay, and then we can see that our model is ready. I go to the perspective view. Is there any problem with this? I think it is better for this part to be a bit higher. Okay, now our model is quite ready. We choose them. I choose this point here, as you can see, not the arrow, just the point, and I move it higher. Look what happens. I think we need to draw the center parts again from scratch. Yeah, as you can see, our model is ready, nice and smooth. We'll go to the render view. As you can see, it's the same as we see in our picture. So we go to the top view, and you can see that it's the same. Okay guys, at the end of this video I want to tell you something. You must be a beginner in modeling to follow these first videos that I am sharing in my YouTube channel. I want to make it as simpler as and as easy to understand as it could be. So if I am speaking slower, I want to be more clear, because most of you might not be fluent in English, and of course my mother tongue is not English, but I understand English and I can speak it more fast and fluent. So I want just for the beginners to I want to make it for beginners easy to understand and easy to do, so they can model these types of carving designs as fast as they can. And I think as a beginner, even if you are a beginner, it mustn't take more than 5 or 6 minutes. It's about that to model this one. I want to make a video, and without any narration I just model this carving design, this flower, so you can see that it's very easy and it can be modeled in less than 5 or 6 minutes. So if this video was any helpful to any one of you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not miss my next videos. In this video, besides modeling in Rhino, I'm going to teach you how to create G-codes for CNC routers using the ArtCam 2018. I'm not using the old-fashioned ArtCam version, which is 29 or 28. Most of CNC operators I see use that version, but I think it's better to update yourself using newer versions. The newest version of ArtCam, as I know and as of today, is 2018 version. And yeah, and besides teaching Rhino, modeling in Rhino and creating G-codes in ArtCam 2018, I will try to produce some videos to teach you how to operate a CNC router, especially for wood and stone. This channel is especially using stone CNC routers to teach you how to operate, but the application for both wood and stone CNC routers are the same, and there's a bit different, and the tools are different. So I think if you want to learn even how to operate a CNC router, a wood CNC router, it's good to follow and have my YouTube channel at your hand. So until the next videos, goodbye.